Hey guys, Duff here. Got a quick 3D video update on my Anycubic Chiron. So what you see here looks to be a mess. It looks to be a failure. And it is in some ways, but in some ways it's actually an epic success. What do I mean? You may recall that I basically stopped printing on this printer for damn close to a year because I kept having issues with with random lockups, and tried a bunch of different things, messed with the cable chain, messed with the securing of the cable up here. None of it worked. I would constantly have issues with the printer locking up. Oh wow, it's heavy. What I did was I bought a third-party silicone wire Hotend harness from eBay. I've been doing some testing on it. I've done prints that ran 8 hours. I've done prints that have run 12 hours. I ran a print that ran almost 24 hours, all completed successfully. I thought I would go for broke and I would try to do this model. This model is something I've had on the SD card in the Chiron forever. This model is huge. And evidently when I sliced it, originally I sliced it with too high of an infill because it used a tremendous amount of filament. I almost used 2 complete rolls before it totally failed. So it was not an ideal situation. But this thing has been printing since last Sunday. And the good news is, even though the print failed, is it didn't lock up one time. The failure had nothing to do with lockups. It under extruded. I caught it under extruding here, and then it under extruded again, which I didn't catch for a while, so that like totally trashed the model. But then I walked in this morning and the filament spool was up here. And if you look, the reason for that is this freaking Hatchbox filament spool had a tangle in it. It was once it got to this point, it was unable to feed any further, and that totally hosed the print. The printer was printing in the middle of open space when I got up this morning, so that totally screwed it. But that's okay. I didn't really think the odds of this model finishing completely were great, but it at least proved that this is a viable fix for the random lockups that were driving me crazy. This thing, I don't know, I might just sit it out anyways because the part that did finish is still cool, right? I don't know, I could put maybe a plant on top of here or something. So we'll figure it out. To me, this definitively showed that replacing this Hotend cable will make your Chiron much less likely to lock up. I would highly recommend it. So that's it, Duff. Or that's it, Duff. That's it, guys. I just want to fill you in on what my Chiron's been doing for the last week. And yeah, you want to see the time lapse? See the time lapse of it all going down? Here you go. Okay guys, that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you can think about becoming a subscriber. Don't do lots of 3D content on my channel, but I do some. And if you're going to become a subscriber, you can hit the notify bell, which is over there somewhere. If you enjoyed the video, please think about giving it a thumbs up. likes help. And that's all I have for you for now. Like I said, this is one of the rare times in life. Well, maybe it's not that rare, but a failure is actually a positive thing. A failure was actually a win in some regards. So I guess that's significant, right? I don't know. Okay, guys, that's it. Hope you have a great week. Till next time, Duffman out. This would have been epic if it finished. Oh well.